Welcome back. High school teachers will now have to sacrifice a portion of their salary for the blunder committed by government while implementing Part B scale in 6th Pay Commission. Teachers are planning to take this issue to Human Resource Committee. If committee fails, teachers will approach the court. High school teachers held a meeting at Mahila Nutan High School in Madgaon. They have also opposed the extended school timings. As a part of protest, teachers are planning to boycott the forthcoming Teachers' Day functions.
High school teachers held a meeting at Mahila Nutan High School on Tuesday. Around 100 teachers were present. Meeting discussed the blunder committed by the government while implementing 6th Pay Commission and extended school hours. This is what teachers have decided.
Good canteen facilities, good drinking water facilities, plus teacher-pupil ratio. Nothing is given. How you are harping on RT? We don't want to hear anything, and we are not interested in hearing the word RT.
No, it's not in our hand. We will go with the first.
No, Mr. Vijay.
Now we are discussing what is options are given. Let me now what is the solution? How we are going to find?
Exactly.
Discussion on implementation blunder of Part B scale in 6th Pay Commission by the government. Government's blunder, teachers will have to bear the brunt. Issue to be taken to Human Resources Committee. If committee fails, teachers to approach the court. On school timings, teachers oppose extended working hours. Teachers dismiss government's all three options. Teachers demand that earlier school timing should be retained. Teachers will boycott Teachers' Day functions. They plan to hold a rally on September 5th, meeting in every taluka on teachers' problems.
Number of hours which is mentioned. The Director of Education failed to frame and forward the program for the extended half even after a period of more than 40 days. And the outcome is only the increase in duration of 6 periods by 5.
A reporter from Madgaon, Samir Bhatt.
The High Court has stayed the selection of Indian judo team for Lusophonia Games. Judo player Ivina Miranda has filed a petition challenging selection of players in the team. Petitioner has contended that players are selected without any selection trial.
Few days are left to kick-start 3rd Lusophonia Games in Goa, but the dispute of selection of judo team has reached at the door of the court. The High Court on Tuesday stayed the selection of Indian judo team for Lusophonia Games till further orders. Judo player Ivana Miranda has challenged the selection of the judo team comprising of players outside Goa. Petitioner Ivana Miranda has contended that the selectors chose the team without giving Goan players a chance to participate in trial for selection. Petitioner also contended that all the players are being selected without any selection trial. The High Court has issued notices to the Goa government and Goa Judo Association. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Congress party is not supporting the new casino, horseshoe and dance bar culture in the state. Party has threatened to hit streets if government goes ahead with the proposal. However, CCP Mayor Surendra Fatar has made it clear that CCP will not issue any license to dance bars and will not allow any new casino offices in Panji.
Congress party came down heavily on the Bharatiya Janata Party for supporting dance bar culture and casino in the state. Party has warned the government of severe protest if the proposal of casino and dance bars are considered.
You see, we have been dwelling in the state of Goa, all of us, we have been staying in Goa. We never felt that just for the sake of money this is required. हांव अशें म्हणन की एक खरेंच म्हणजे तांची विचारांची हें आसा पळय न्ही ती इतली सकयल येवपाचें हांवें अपेक्षा दवरनाशिल्लें. Morchas also we will have. You see, nobody can stop us from morchas and all that. It's only because of rains that we are restraining a little.
So we'll start it now?
Of course. Let the rains get over. By after August, we will have it.
Even if Goa government allows new casinos in the Mandovi River, CCP will not allow any new casino company to set up their office in Panaji.
I will not give license to run the new casino office in the capital city of Panjim. That is final. Corporation City of Panjim will not allow a single bar or dance girl to dance in the bars. This is my assurance.
Meanwhile, CCP has written a letter to the Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar demanding shifting of government offices out of the city to EDC Pato Plaza. CCP will also write a letter to Defence Minister A.K. Anthony to shift Signal Training Centre of Military out of the city.
We have also taken a resolution that the Defence Ministry should vacate our premises. This resolution will also be forwarded along with our minutes of the meeting to the Honorable Union Minister of Defence, Mr. A.K. Anthony. I have today sent this letter to Chief Minister to say that this is the difficulty we are passing. You are the MLA of Panjim. What you have to do is just call for a cabinet meeting and say, yes, there's a letter from the Mayor of CCP requesting us to shift all the offices outside Panjim.
For the fourth consecutive day, CM has refused to comment on the casino dance bars rave party issue. The statements by some of the BJP leaders have created a lot of heat, and the ruling party is definitely finding it difficult to defend their own leaders. Reporter Mahesh Ghadi with video journalist Omkar Falari for Prudent.
Selection of Sandesh Prabhudesai as State Information Commissioner has been challenged before the High Court of Bombay at Goa. The High Court has issued notice to state government and Sandesh Prabhudesai. The court will hear this matter on Tuesday.
While the hearing on Tuesday, Advocate General Atmaram Nadkarni argued that the petition challenging selection of Sandesh Prabhudesai as State Information Commissioner is not maintainable as government has not appointed him yet. The AG also said that the selection is yet to be discussed and passed by Council of Ministers. Petitioner's advocate Irish Rodriguez contended that the selection process was not as per the rules. He says that only one post for SIC was advertised, but 2 candidates have been selected. Petitioner also contended that Sandesh Prabhudesai has not applied for the post himself, but was recommended by a third person, which is contrary to law.
Sandesh Prabhudesai has not yet been appointed, but I have challenged his selection and I have challenged the very selection process. So that is the reason that court has rightly issued notice to the Goa government and Sandesh Prabhudesai himself.
The High Court has given 1 week's time to the parties to file the reply. With video journalist Chetan Gaus, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
The High Court has directed CCP and the Municipal Council of Mapsa, Ponda, Kutsade, Madgaon, Pedne, Sange and Valpur to complete the construction of landfills for burial of residual waste. 3 months' time has been granted to Municipal Council to set up adequate composting facilities. The court has also directed village panchayats to ensure that plastic waste collected every week from all wards is stored at an appropriate site until it is collected by agency appointed for the purpose. Let's take a short break here. Stay tuned.